Evening brewers, welcome back to the channel. I am in a woodland in southern England today and I'm going to do an overnight camp, hammock camp hopefully. It's mid-December, going to be one of the coldest nights of the year so far, -5, -6. I'm going to do a hammock camp in the woodland and have the Brew with a View Christmas dinner, a Christmas party involving just me. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook a Christmas dinner on a zebra belly can that's been modified as an oven and try and do turkey, pigs in blankets, roast potatoes, vegetables, etc. All cooked over a twig stove. But first I need to get my hammock set up, so let's get that done now. Right, that's me. I should have done that, shouldn't I? One of those doof things, I forgot about that. Anyway, doesn't really matter. That's me set up. It's a bit dark now, sorry, but you can see that the if I turn you around, sun is setting. Sun setting. So I've got my set up anyway. Got my tarp up, got to flip it over because I'm going to have a little fire to cook my dinner, obviously. And the hammock there, I don't know if you can see it very well. No, anyway, there's the hammock. I'll turn you around actually. So I'm quite near a road actually. You might be able to just about see, if you can. Maybe not. But anyway, I can just see the headlights through the trees over there of the car. So quite near a road. It's a bit of road noise, but never mind. It's still nice to be out, isn't it? Right, get this fire lit, get some dinner on. Not a bad view though. Look at that. Right then, so what we have is pigs and blankets in there. Then in here has got my turkey thigh wrapped in bacon with stuffing, some spuds which I need to peel in a minute, sprouts, carrots, gravy, oil, salt and pepper, Yorkshire pudding which I'm going to put it all in, and essential cranberry sauce. Then I've got a little titanium pot here and Trangia which I'll parboil the potatoes in and do the veg in later. And then this is the bit that's going to be the showstopper, shall we say. So this is a zebra billy can. It's got a thermometer on there which I drilled a hole in the oven so I can hopefully make sure that the temperature is maintained in that. Twig stove, and then if you open up this, you can see it's got a little tray in there, it's a little oven tray on a shelf. And then on top there is a little grid thing here which I bought from Firebox, I think it is. So I'll put some coals on the top of there. So basically I have heat from the bottom and heat from the top. Right, let's get the fire lit. Just put the potatoes on to parboil a little bit. And I've got some couple of barbecue coals in here. I thought they'd be quite good because it's very cold. It's -6, so I just thought they'd stand a better chance of heating the top of the zebra billy can when I put it on there in a minute. Okay, I've just got my turkey joint in here now. Here's one I made earlier. Bacon wrapped in it, around it, sorry. Stuffing in there. Oh, stuffing in there, so I say. Wrapped in bacon, tied it off. Just coat on a little bit of oil in there. Right, so I'm just going to stick the turkey in there now. I know the oven's not quite up to temperature, and it ain't going to be, but you know, might as well start going anyway. Let's put the lid on. There we go. See what happens. So I've just taken the coals out of the inside of the oven now, as they seem to be going. I seem to get 4 of those on the top. And as everyone does with the sprouts, as always, cut the bottoms off and do a little cross in the bottom. I never know if that makes any difference or not, but you know, we do what we see, don't we? We repeat what we see. Oh, there we go. There we go, 4 coals on the top. Twig stove going underneath. That's about 2 or 3 minutes in, I think. And you can see it's risen to 150 in the oven now. Just chop my veg as well. Well, just the carrot. Sprouts that need chopping. So that spud's done, I think. Just take those off for a minute. Let's drain that off. just over 150 now. And if you can hear it, it's just slightly sizzling inside. You can actually smell it now. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Sort of struggled to get over 150 for a little bit. The spuds are done. Just need to get them out now. Parboiled. Need to get them in the roasting tin now. There we go. Turn my light off now so you can see the glow. Visual ASMR. The glow of the coals. Fire. And a little Trangia going there. Let's have a look at this, shall we? See how we got on. I'm just going to put a little bit more oil in there now. These potatoes, it smells amazing. Just turn these potatoes over in the oil a little bit. Ooh, hot potatoes. Struggling to get all three of them in there. It's a bit of salt and pepper. Let's get them back in. Let's have a look. It's a bit weird. The temperature's like, I don't know, 120 maybe. It's not as hot as I'd like it to be, but anyway, we'll have a see what it looks like. And you can hear it sizzling away. Let's see what they look like in here. Not too bad. They're falling apart a bit, but you know. I think the problem is that this oven is going to struggle to get up to any sort of proper temperature when it's like -6 outside. But anyway, we'll see how we get on. Stick the pigs in blankets in as well. See what happens. I'm being a bit ambitious with this. So yeah, not going too bad. It's I think because it's so cold now. I think it's supposed to be like -5 tonight. I think just the twig stove is struggling to get it up to temperature. Like you'd need 180 in an oven normally, and this thing's reading just below, sort of maybe 120, 130, something like that. So it's like a slow cook roast. And the potatoes are coming away. But anyway, let's see how we go on. Let's persist. I stuck a few more, they're not twigs, but you know, little battens of wood in there and see how we go. Yeah. The veg on now as well. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Sprouts and carrots on. Sparrots. Let's have another look. Not bad. Right, checketh the sprouts and carrots. Ooh, boiling away. Nice. Just getting there. Right, time to get Yorkshire pudding on. So I've just blown the coals off the top of that. And we'll just see if that can sort of cock itself up a little bit on the top of that now. There we go. Yorkshire. Not too bad actually, if you can hear that. Reasonably crispy, so we'll put that on the plate. Look at that. Perfect fit. Get me veg out. There's some gravy in. Right, the moment of truth. Let's see how we've done in here. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's pretty good. Have a look. Hey, pretty good. There we go. Let's cut my turkey up. Now that's not bad, is it really? Not bad for a little bushcraft jobby. So, there we go. One din-dins. Christmas dinner. Oh, can't see very well. Sorry. I'm no bloody YouTuber, am I really? Let's see how we get on. There we go. Now that, I'd say, is pretty respectable for being cooked in one of those little ovens there. I think that's pretty cool. Ooh, that is me done. Big belly full, didn't quite manage all of it, but never mind. There was a lot there. I did bring a mince pie with me actually, but I just can't manage it, it's too much. So I've lit myself a little fire now anyway. I've had a few little tiny little logs that I picked up, and I'm going to relax with a glass of wine. So unless anything funky happens, I will see you in the morning. Good night and Merry Christmas. Morning gang, how you doing? Not a bad sleep last night considering it was pretty cold. Road noise kept me awake a little bit, but never mind. It was nice and warm and snuggly in the hammock, which is good. So anyway, I'm all packed up, ready to head off. No trace, as usual. You can see that's where I have my little fire down there. Nothing there, that's a bit of ice by the way from the bottle where I poured it over. You can see there, not ash. Yeah, so heading off home now. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Sorry it wasn't the greatest quality in the world. I don't have a decent camera or a tripod or anything like that, but hopefully it might inspire you to see some things you can do with a billy can, oven, Christmas dinner, the ultimate billy can meal. So once again, thanks for watching if you've come this far. It's a beautiful sunrise in my eye here, look now, golden light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.